Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question I get all the time from beginner designers. How do you add a background color to your text in Figma? If you've ever wondered how to make your notes, labels, or diagrams pop with a splash of color, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a few quick ways to make your Figma designs stand out, even if you're brand new to Figma. So let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. First, go ahead and click on the square shape tool in Figma. It's usually right there in your toolbar. It looks just like a little rectangle. Once you've dropped a square onto your canvas, click inside the square and start typing your text. This is a handy little trick. By adding your text directly on top of a shape, you're essentially creating a customized text box with its own background. Now here's the fun part. Let's change up that background color. Look up at the top bar while your square is selected and you'll see a color option. Click on it and pick whatever hue fits your mood or your project. Maybe you want a bright yellow for a warning note or a soft blue for instructions. It's totally up to you. What you're doing here isn't just about looks. Adding background color helps draw attention to important notes and can make your workflow a lot easier to follow, especially if you're collaborating with others. Next, let's talk about sections. Sections in Figma are like big containers that help you organize related items, sort of like folders for your sticky notes and diagrams. If you want to give a whole section its own background color, just click to select the section area. You'll see it become active and the border usually lights up a bit. Up at the top toolbar again, find that fill color option. Change the background color to whatever you like. This step is great if you want to visually group ideas together. For example, you could use a green section for research notes and a purple section for brainstorming. Don't worry if it seems like nothing is changing at first. Sometimes large sections take a second to re-render, especially if you've got a lot going on in your Figma file. Give it a moment and you'll see the new color apply. For our last tip, let's tackle tables. Tables are super useful for organizing lists, tracking info, or even making quick pros and cons charts right in your Figma file. To give your table a bit more style and clarity, click anywhere on the table to select it. With the table selected, you'll notice a color control appear up in your toolbar, just like with the other elements. Click on that and swap out the color as you wish. Adding color to your tables makes them easier to read at a glance, especially in a dense brainstorm or workshop session. If it looks a little stark at first, try softer pastels or lower the opacity. It can make the interface friendlier and less overwhelming. And that's really all there is to it. With these three simple techniques, you can bring a major upgrade to your Figma canvas by adding custom background colors to your text, sections, and tables. If any of these steps felt a bit tricky or you ran into issues, don't hesitate to pause, rewind, or drop your questions in the comments below. I love helping out or even making follow-up videos on trickier topics. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more beginner-friendly Figma and Figma tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.